In the small town of Eldridge, where opportunities were as rare as the morning dew in a drought, Aiden grew up with a burning desire to change his stars. The eldest son of a mechanic, he was always surrounded by the smell of oil, the clanking of tools, and the gritty feel of hard work. While many of his peers indulged in the comfort of mediocrity, Aiden had a vision. Each night, after a long day helping his father fix cars, he'd sneak into the town library, using the dim light to pore over books about entrepreneurship, innovation, and success stories. The tales of rags to riches became his lullabies, and the stories of perseverance his morning prayers. At school, while others played, Aiden was always seen with a notebook, jotting down ideas, sketches, and plans. His determination caught the attention of Mrs. Thompson, an elderly teacher known for her strictness, but also for recognizing potential. She saw in Aiden what many didn't, a fire that could light up the entire town. One fateful evening, after a particularly challenging day at the workshop, Aiden's father sat him down. "Son," he said, wiping the grease off his hands, "I've noticed your passion. It's time you follow your dreams." With those words, he handed Aiden a small loan, a tool set, and his blessing. With the borrowed money, Aiden started a small repair shop of his own. The initial days were harsh. The shop was tucked away in a corner and customers were scarce. But Aiden's work ethic was unmatched. He'd wake up before dawn, stay late into the night, and treat every car as if it were a masterpiece. Word spread fast, not just about his skills, but his dedication. Customers weren't just getting their cars fixed. They were witnessing a young man transform his dreams into reality. With each satisfied customer, Aiden reinvested, expanding his shop, hiring more hands, and offering training to young enthusiasts like himself. Years rolled by, and Aiden's repair shop evolved into a state-of-the-art automotive center. But he didn't stop there. Remembering his nights at the library, Aiden ventured into innovative solutions, introducing eco-friendly repair methods and pioneering training programs for underprivileged youth in Eldridge. Today, the dusty roads of Eldridge resonate with stories of Aiden's perseverance. His journey from a young boy with a dream to an entrepreneur with a vision inspired countless souls. But amidst the accolades and success, Aiden remains grounded, always attributing his achievements to the lessons learned from the humble workshop of his father. On his YouTube channel, Aiden shares his story, not as a testament to his accomplishments, but as a beacon for every young dreamer. He reminds them that success isn't about where you start, but how you persevere, adapt, and continue pushing forward. So, as the sun sets over Eldridge, casting a golden hue on Aiden's workshop, the town knows one thing for sure: dreams, when pursued with passion and perseverance, do come true. And in the heart of that transformation lies the inspiring tale of a hardworking boy named Aiden.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.